Hello everyone, today I will show you another easy lace pattern. This pattern is knitted on the needles in working position and in needles out of work. We have 4 needles in working position, 2 needles out of work, 2 needles in working position, 2 needles out of work, and then again 4 needles in working position. With 2-eye tool, grab the needles where you have 4 needles, grab 2 needles and transfer them towards the 2 needles. Same on this side. Push all the needles where we have stitches to the front. Now where we had two needles in working position, here we have 6 needles in work and we have 4 needles out of work where we had first 4 needles in working position. Keep all the needles out of work and knit 2 rows. We need to make another transfer with 2-eye tool. So grab 2 needles and transfer them 1 needle. Now here we have 4 needles in working position. Now we have 4 needles in working position and 6 needles out of work. Knit 2 rows. And we need to complete another transfer. With 1-eye tool, transfer 1 needle. Knit 2 rows. We have to pick up stitches now. So here where we have 2 needles, we need to have 4 needles. And in the middle, we need to add 2 more needles. So we will be back to our starting position. We'll have 4 needles in working position, 2 needles out of work, 2 needles in working position, and 4 needles out of work. I will be picking up stitches with these 2 last rows. I picked up the needles I needed, so now I'm back to 4 needles in working position, 2 needles out of work, 2 needles in working position, 2 needles out of work, and 4 needles in working position. Knit 6 rows. Continue with pattern same as before. And here is our pattern. Thank you very much for watching.